All right, so I went ahead and just removed that exfoliating cleanser, and as you can see, I have just like a really nice glow to my skin. And you can actually use this product about 2 to 3 times a week, but if you feel like your skin is just really doing great, this product is gentle enough that you can eventually start using it every day. So next we're going to go to our toner, and today we are going to be using the calming toner. It's also a pH balancing toner. It is by Zio Obagi. This toner is really great for pretty much all skin types, but we do have a few other options of toners as well. For me personally, my skin's a little bit more on the drier side, so I just chose this toner today, and I've had a little bit of redness in my cheek area. So what this is going to do is just kind of help calm out any redness that I may have, and while also getting a great toner effect. But we do offer 3 different toners here. We have the oil pads. That is for more of the oilier skin type and more acneic skin. They do come in kind of like the circle pads, and it does have the toner already in it. And then for a more combination skin type, we do have the complexion renewal pads. Again, that's more of that circular kind of cotton pad that you see at home, and it does have that toner in it. You can use this morning and night, so it's just a really great product. Again, it doesn't have like a strong alcohol smell. Again, it's just a light, clean smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And I just saturated my cotton pad, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of press into my face. And you don't have that kind of stinging effect that sometimes that you have with toners. So this is just like a really calm, nice toner. And again, I'm just kind of putting that on my neck and décolleté area because we don't want to forget that when we are cleansing our face. All right. So the next we're going to go to our serums, and we are going to go for our Zio Obagi Skin Health Firming Serum. The serum is really awesome. It's one of it's our newest product that we have here at Capizzi MD. This can be used on your face, on your neck. It's really good for facial contouring. So places that kind of lose elasticity and collagen is our jowl area. So this is going to help with that area and just kind of tighten and contour our face. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump that. And this product is a clear gel, and it does have blue crystals in it. These crystals are a vitamin, so it is environmentally friendly. It doesn't have plastic in it. So these vitamins are just going to go right into your face. So again, we're going to just apply like so. And then add to our neck. And again, going in a lifting motion. All right. And now that that's all rubbed in, we can go to our moisturizer. So we have 2 different options for moisturizers that I really like to use. The first one is the Daily Power Defense, and then our Growth Factor Serum. So the Daily Power Defense can be used morning or night. This is a cream-like consistency. I will say this has a whisper of retinol in it. So if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you don't want to use this product, but you can use our Growth Factor Serum. Our Growth Factor Serum is a plant-based growth factor. It is more of a gel-like consistency, and Wendy Tiffany, our other esthetician that actually works here, says that if she could drink it, she would do it because this product is so amazing. So this is going to help with cell turnover and tightening and helping with that anti-aging process. So for me personally, I have more of dry skin, so I'm actually going to use the Growth Factor Serum because I feel like it's a little bit more heavier versus the Daily Power Defense, and for me personally, this is what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and pump this out. And as you can see, it's a gel-like consistency, but it feels like velvet on your face. So we'll go ahead and put this on. Again, getting our neck. My gosh, this feels so great. All right, so that is the last of our serums that I'm using today. And then, since I do have some patients later on, we are going to use the Elastin Tinted Sunscreen. This is probably my favorite product of all time because I feel like pretty much anybody can benefit from it with the lighter skin complexion. It is SPF 36, so you're getting some protection. Even on a cloudy, rainy day like today, you're still getting, you know, the sun rays coming in and damaging our skin. So we always want to use a sunscreen daily, and this one just happens to be my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead, pump that out. And then apply. And again, as you can see, you get some nice light coverage. It's nothing really heavy on your face. You don't have like a sticky sensation afterwards. It just feels really nice and light. And then I get light coverage. So I wear this as foundation and I look great. Right. And then lastly, as our last product, is going to be our Skin Medica HA5. This is a Skin Medica product, so you do get brilliant distinction points, which is a win-win. And what I love about this product is a two-step lip treatment. So the first step is going to hydrate and really moisturize your lips, and then the second step is going to go in and plump up your lips. It's not going to give you a look of a lip filler, but it is going to give you that nice pout. And one thing that I really love about it is that you don't have the tingle effect that you sometimes get with most lip plumpers. So you are getting the benefits of the hyaluronic acid in it that's going to go in there and give you that beautiful pout without the tingle. So let me grab that and put that on so you guys can see. And then this is our first step, and it just comes out in a little crank. And then it is just a cream. Awesome. And then this is the next step. This is the plump. So it does kind of look like the twist up lip glosses that you get. And then this is more of a gel-like consistency, more of a gloss. So we'll go ahead and put that down. And then we'll apply. this is my completed look. I feel great. My skin is glowing. My lips are looking great and moisturized. But if you have any questions at all, you're more than welcome to send us a DM. You're welcome to give us a call. I am currently accepting new patients here at Capizzi MD for our signature facial. But if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 704-655-8988. Thanks, guys.